Deep within the endless ocean of space, silent clouds of gas begin to gather, and in their slow embrace, a star is born. The newborn star awakens with quiet power, its nuclear heart now burning with unstoppable energy. For millions of years, the star exists in perfect balance, a quiet furnace in the heart of darkness.
But time slowly changes everything. Even stars begin to age.
Deep within its core, the fire that once sustained it begins to fade.
Gravity now takes control, crushing the star from within.
In one final struggle, the star prepares to explode. The universe is torn apart. From unimaginable destruction, a dark remnant survives.
And from the ruins of a star, a black hole is born.
Here lies the final boundary, the edge of escape itself. As the fall accelerates, temperatures soar beyond imagination. Trapped by gravity's grip, matter begins its endless spiral. Under this immense gravity, time itself begins to slow. Under this immense gravity, time itself begins to slow.
Across the vast darkness, a lone traveler draws near.
The black hole's pull tightens, bending space itself. Beyond this point, there is no return. Once the horizon is crossed, the universe is left behind forever. Beyond the horizon, light itself no longer survives. Beyond the horizon, light itself no longer survives. Space is no longer what it once was.
Everything that enters is drawn toward a single point, the singularity.
Here, even time itself begins to shatter. At the very center lies a point of infinite mystery.
Here, gravity reaches its ultimate form.
Even across this abyss, echoes from the outside still whisper.
Space itself collapses, folding into unimaginable shapes.
Energy here rises beyond measure, beyond control.
Beyond this point, the laws of physics can no longer guide us. Reality itself begins to lose its familiar shape. Even light is no longer free. It is crushed by gravity. All paths now lead inward, through a tunnel carved by gravity itself.
Deeper still, another hidden boundary reveals itself.
Here, matter itself is pulled beyond its breaking point.
In this abyss, even motion seems to fall silent. Yet even in silence, energy continues to echo. The heart of the black hole now lies directly ahead.
There is no resistance left, only the final fall. At the very edge of existence, the singularity awaits. Here, gravity reaches the very limit of its power. In this realm, even direction no longer exists.
Light here is no longer a traveler. It is a prisoner.
Under this pressure, even matter forgets its shape.
Energy still burns here, but it can no longer escape. The deeper we fall,
We now cross into regions never before measured or seen. No matter how far we fall, the pull never weakens.
here, time itself is almost at a standstill.
And beyond all known limits, a final mystery begins to glow.
This is not imagination. This is how a black hole truly appears in our universe.
One side shines brighter, because matter there races toward us at almost the speed of light.
Here lies the true event horizon, where light.
This thin halo is made of trapped light. The universe behind it bends into ghostly arcs of light.
Near a black hole,
Here, objects are stretched into cosmic threads.
No signal, no sound, no light can ever return.
What we see is not the hole itself, but its shadow. At the heart of nearly every galaxy, a black hole. A black hole grows by feeding on the very heart of its galaxy.
Entire galaxies dance to the silent gravity of their dark core.
Even stars themselves can fall victim to this cosmic predator.
In a final, violent moment, the star is consumed.
The feast sends ripples of energy across interstellar space.
At times, the giant sleeps in silence.
Though unseen, its presence is measured with perfect precision.
Some stars race around this darkness at unimaginable speed.
By tracking these orbits, the invisible mass is revealed.
Once crossed, nothing can ever escape. Near a black hole, time itself no longer flows equally. Matter is shredded, heated, and erased from view.
But even when matter vanishes, its information may not.
Even the darkest objects may release a faint quantum whisper.
Over unimaginable ages, Even a black hole may slowly fade.
When galaxies collide, their black holes begin a deadly dance. With every passing moment, their deadly dance tightens. Now, there is no turning back. Two monsters become one. The universe itself shudders. From destruction, a greater giant is born. While black holes consume, the universe continues to grow.
Billions of years.
Even the last stars finally fall silent. Darkness becomes the dominant force of existence. At the end of time, one shadow remains.
Nothing remains but silence.
Even black holes are not eternal.
And at last, even the darkness fades. Yet, the universe may never truly end.
From nothing, something begins again. Perhaps every end is also a beginning.
In distant futures, life may rise again. And once more, the light returns.
From darkness to light, from destruction to creation, the universe never truly ends.